So then, guys, if your Mac has ever started feeling slow out of nowhere, storage filling up for no obvious reason, or you've noticed more pop-ups and privacy warnings than you used to, you're definitely not alone here. I get asked all the time how I actually keep my Macs running smoothly day to day, especially when I'm using them constantly for work, editing, and generally just life stuff. And the truth is, over time, even the best Macs need a bit of maintenance, like my new M5 MacBook Pro right here. Files build up, background processes stack, old cache data sits there doing nothing, and privacy risks creeping quietly without you noticing. And that's what today's video is all about. This video is sponsored by MacKeeper, and I want to show you exactly what it does, how it works on a real Mac, and whether it makes sense for you in 2026. Now, one thing I like to be upfront about is that most people try to fix Mac problems by installing loads of separate different apps out there to speed it all up and everything. One for cleaning, for example, one for antivirus, one for VPNs, and one for ad blocking, and it just gets quite messy fast. But MacKeeper takes a different approach here. It's designed as an all-in-one tool that handles performance, security, and privacy all in one place. And once you open it up, everything just lives in a single dashboard, which already makes it far easier to manage than juggling multiple apps. Now, one of the main things people use MacKeeper for is the system cleanup. Over time, your Mac collects junk files, cache, data, unused files, and system clutter that just sits there eating away at storage. Now, inside MacKeeper, you can run a full scan, see exactly what it finds, and then choose what you want to clean up. Nothing happens automatically without you approving it, what I really like. On a Mac that has been used for a while, this can free up a surprising amount of space and help the system feel more responsive again. And then beyond the cleanup, MacKeeper also focuses heavily on security here. It includes real-time antivirus protection that runs quietly in the background. You can kick off a manual scan if you want to, but most of the time it's just doing its thing without getting in the way. Then there's something else what I think is really cool. There's also a built-in VPN, which is handy if you're using public Wi-Fi, traveling, or if you want that extra layer of privacy when browsing. Instead of paying for a separate VPN subscription, it's already included here. Then on top of that as well, you get tools like blocking and identity theft monitoring. Identity monitoring helps alert you if your email address or personal information shows up somewhere it shouldn't, which is something a lot of people don't think about until it actually becomes a real problem. The big theme here, though, I would say, is simplicity. Everything is clearly laid out, easy to understand, and you don't need to be technical to use it. Now, the next question you're going to be asking about is, what about pricing? Well, pricing is important here. And the cool thing is, like I said, if you were to download multiple apps, I think this would be actually far more. But if you decide to use my affiliate link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive MacKeeper discount up to 70% off. That discount's only available through my link, and that link will stay in the description permanently on this video. And when you click through, you'll see a few different plans out there. But for most people, the best value option is the free Mac yearly plan, which starts out at $85.86 per year. And you've got more than one Mac in your house, then obviously this plan, like for me, makes a lot of sense. You can still look at other plans if you want to, but that yearly free Mac option is one I personally recommend for value. So, overall, MacKeeper makes sense if you want one simple app to help keep your Mac running fast, clean, and protected without constantly thinking about it. If you're currently using multiple tools to do all that separately, this can really simplify your setup here. And if you want to check it out for yourself, like I said, click that affiliate link at the very top of the description, grab the exclusive discount, and have a look at the plans. And on that note as well then, guys, is this something that you would look into getting for your Mac? Well, let me know in the comments below. And on top of that as well, if you've enjoyed watching this video, please also press the like button. And if you want to hear the latest Apple news reviews and comparisons, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Until next time, guys, I will see you really soon. Take care. Bye-bye.